Welcome. In front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to restore your PIN code in case you forgot it. In order to do this, you have to click I forgot my PIN icon right here. Wait a moment and click it again. And then if you have a Microsoft account, if you have a local account installed on your device or set up on your device, you'll have to provide the answer to one of the security questions that you asked yourself when you were setting up an account. And if you know the answer to one of the questions, once you enter the answer, you will be able to restore the PIN code. So enter the new one, prepare some new questions for yourself, and then you'll get the access back to your account. And in case you forgot the answers to the security questions, then you'll have to reinstall your Windows in order to regain access to your device. And if you don't know how to install Windows from USB, then we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that, so go ahead and check it out. Now, if you forgot the password for your account that is linked to the Microsoft account, then simply enter the password to your account, then click sign in, and then verify your identity either by receiving an email or an SMS if you have a mobile phone connected to your Microsoft account. So just click email right here and then enter the code that you received into the following field. Once you enter the code, click verify, then wait a moment, then click continue and set a new password for your account. Confirm it, make sure you remember it this time, then click OK, and then you will regain access to your account. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.